trouble is with trick antennas, if you don't get it set up exactly as the book, cut to length, all the feeders and details as the book, it can cause problems. So are you going by the book?
Yes, I think so, yes. I mean, it's a spot-on resonant antenna.
Yeah, how do you check the resonance of that, Colin? How do you do that?
Well, I can only check it by the fact that it tunes up in milliseconds, and on the indicator here on the screen it says right bang on the 1. It never fluctuates from 1. Yeah,
the trouble is though, if you're using a matcher or a tuner, it will give you those details, but it may not be actually doing it. Is there any way you can check the frequency of the antenna without any matching tuning in circuit?
No, I wouldn't know how to do it anyway.
Have you, the best thing for that, and of course it was made for the job, was the MFJ SWR analyzer. I've got one here, and of course I use that. Has your mate down the road got one? Just to take everything off the antenna and connect it directly to the MFJ analyzer. Is that a possibility?
No, not really. I don't think he's got one. But if the problem persists here, I might seek his advice.
Yeah, there's old-fashioned ways of doing it with, I used to do it years ago without, it's called a bridge mechanism. You use a bridge circuit, and you use a separate receiver to check the noise. The more the noise through the bridge circuit, the closer it is to resonance. But the actual MFJ jobby gives you both readings. It gives you it gives you both readings. It gives you the matching of the antenna, and it also gives you the spot frequency of the antenna.
Yeah, understood there. Yeah, morning, Rob. There, what was it you said? You got one?
Yeah, G0H Motel. Good morning, Charles. Yeah, morning, Colin. Yeah, I have got one. If you want to have a go sometime, easy to use, like beat over, have a go. The only other thought is if you've got some RF coming back, use a choke balun in line. Have you got sort of half dozen coils of the coax around a bit of drain pipe? That helps a lot if there's a bit of RF coming back down, Colin. But if you want to have a go with the MFJ, when I bring those boxes back over for you, I can bring it over and we can have a play.
Yeah, might be interesting. If you know how to do it, by all means, I'd welcome a try, Rob. I'm not, as you know, I never profess to know too much about it. I'm just purely an operator. I do not understand the intricacies of electronics in the radio spectrum at all. So, I would have to rely on you setting it up to check it out, Rob.
Rob, are you near him?
Go, Charles.
Are you near him? Are you near Colin?
Yeah, about 6 miles away as the crow flies. Yeah, Colin, I'm sure you know quite a lot, actually. I think, I know you set it up, your antenna, you tuned it with the old TS2000, didn't you? But, I mean, it's, from your previous experiences, my guess is actually you didn't resonate it for this frequency, so it shouldn't be far out. But some sets a bit more sensitive than others, and I think it might be. Have you got any sort of balun in the antenna at all?
Rob, I think you're a bit off frequency, mate. I've had to turn the receive up to sort of a couple of points. You sound a bit deep.
Yes, he was.
I am very deep, but hang on.
Yeah, you were, Rob. You were about 2 out.
Oh, well, it's because I only have 1 digit on the decimal point on my old TR7. I've lowered it, but so be it. I won't stop though. But have you got a balun, Colin?
No, I haven't. I haven't got a balun in the system.
Okay. Well, what might help is it's dead easy to make one up. Is some coils of coax around a 3-inch drain pipe. Get to either end. You need to put it up at the antenna feed point, or actually probably be pretty good to, well, maybe antenna feed point, but somewhere along the line anyway. That's stopping the RF coming back and bounce the antenna a bit. That would probably make a big difference.
Colin?
Yeah, I'm a bit concerned when they say, you know, a 2 to 1, 4 to 1, 9 to 1, whatever. You know, which one do I choose for my setup?
Not quite sure we do, but well, obviously you want your minimum SWR, but first thing to do is just check that your antenna is resonant on the frequency, and then put a just the one that's coax balance in line with it, Colin. Okay, and I'll be in touch. I'll give you a ring anyway. I hope I'm on frequency now. Anyway, yes, okay, I'll leave you to that. G0HDH, G for Alpha Lima Hotel.
Yeah, okay, Rob. Anyway, thanks for coming in there, and I'm sure we can hook up at some time or another. Yeah, okay, thanks for that, Rob. Back to you, Adrian.
Yeah, I'm going to make a move too, Colin. I've got a cup of tea to make, so I'll say 7:03 and catch you all in the morning.
Day by day.
Yeah, well, it's 7:45, isn't it? So I've been on an hour, more or less. So, yeah, okay, we'll call it a day and catch you all in the morning. This is G0HDH closing down. Any shortwave listeners, I bid you a very good morning. Cheers, all.
Morning, John. Day by